The multicolor RGBIC, it shows multiple colors at one time on a single strip light with an IC control chip. You have a very premium glossy coated ultra bright here. Let's take these out of the box. We have the lights as well as the controller. We'll take that out. You get attaching, so if you want to attach it using these anchors, you can use that with the anchors. And they give you some alcohol prep pads so you can clean your space up. And all you gotta do is installing, you just really plug it in, you peel off the protective film on the tape, place it where you want to set it, you pair it, and then once you're paired, that should take you about 5 to 10 minutes and you'll be all set. And if I turn this on, you'll notice that it turned on. These are kind of those ultra bright, it's like those ultra bright premium LEDs here's the controller. I can just set it, and this is now I'm going to be controlling it by individual color. I'm going to set it by mode. So there's a lot of different modes here. It's the LED strips not rolled out. So once I roll it out, you'll have a much better feeling for how great they look. I'm going to go through the process of how to set this up yourself. And it's really straightforward. On the back of this, you'll notice that there is this, there's this wax paper that's protecting the sticker. And this is that 3M sticker that's really going to set it into place. But you want to make sure with a little demonstration, you can see how it can show all these different colors at one time. It's faster, it customizes the color and brightness for every single segment. It comes with this premium coating. So it's not like you're touching it. There's an active cushion there. It's soft, but it feels premium. And that's what makes it so cool. Along with when you look at it this way, you can see how many lights you get. It's really, really bright. Now let's show you how to control your Govee RGBIC PRO LED strip lights using the app. So you open the Govee Home app and you want to connect directly to the lights. Currently we have them on using just the controller. And in the app, you're going to see on the top right, there's a plus that's going to indicate add device. Check the back of your box to check the model number, and this is going to be the H619C. You just type that in and you can select it. There it is. Now activate Bluetooth and wireless. You're going to be connecting to it. Once it pairs, you're all set. Now you're going to be having access to one of the most advanced arrays of controls on any LED strip light from Govee. There is an IC control chip every few LED lights, so you have different panels that you can control and change the color. You see I'm just changing the color teal, blue, red, and my favorite is actually going to be when we go to scenes. Because the scene modes, you get 64 preset scene modes based on nature, emotions, holidays, and life. It's just gonna look really, really beautiful. But now back to the music. You're gonna be able to sync it directly to the ambient noise, or you can sync it directly to the music that it's gonna be playing. And that's how you do that. Now these are the scenes. Just pick the one you want to pick. Ambient, life. There's cloud here. You know, if you lay out all the lights on your wall, the full 16.4 or 32.8, it will really look like, you know, like lightning traveling through the lights. You can have your chase modes. You have various modes that just completely revolutionize the experience of having strip lights. And this is why I love the RGBICs, because they do revolutionize them, because previous panels you weren't able to do this with the same type of quality in the glossy coated ultra bright 130 lumen per meter smart LED strip. Thank you.